Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo. Let's see what's in the box. Now, this one came in the normal black box, and it is labeled Records Vintage, and it's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the insert, but here is the hot new vinyl records. Best in town, 25 cents. Not many people even know what a vinyl record is anymore. So this is on a kind of a white, off-white matte finish. And it was made in, let's see, it looks like J of 17. You can see it's got really good stampings. There's Bradford, PA, made in USA. Good sound. Steel insert. Fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this. A lit drop test. Okay, so it passes the lit drop test nicely. That is the vinyl record Zippo, only 25 cents. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.